Iti kasi ginyakan kay mapakita hiyan brain. So for example, ini nga image. So mapakitaon ka mo ini. Ngan iti ka first question, can you tell me something about this? So what is this condition? Ngan iti mo pag-discuss ito, diretso na para diriya maka-adhin another. So kada niya pag-ask kan dadani ka kadami ko, diretso na yakan kanan whatever you know. So for example, what is this condition? What is the telltale sign or the sequenon? And what vessel is hit para manabo ini? And ito final question, is this in or out of the parenchyma? So, dapat when you look at a disease, and diretso na tanan nga pwede ma-answer nimo. So first of all, what is this condition? Makita-kita nga CT scan niya or MRI, abot ko na nito iya. Ngan, makita-kita nga may whitish portion na iya right side, ito nga white. So, ito, based on natin maaram nga iya discuss, this could either be epidural, subdural, intracranial hemorrhage. So, yan na. What is this condition? This is actually subdural. Kaya ano? What is the telltale sign? Crescent shape. What vessel is hit? Is usually
superior cerebral vein artery.
And is it in or out of the parenchyma? So in parenchyma, diba, iba iya have brain tissue. Ini nga mga hemorrhages, ada man ito hiya ha outside. So this is a subdural hematoma. Makita ka mo that iya telltale sign is crescent shape. It iya vein, although subdural niyo kan superior cerebral, that is one. But ang pinaka-common na gin-emphasize ni Doc Boy is the bridging cortical vein. Maigo nga ni bridging cortical vein, sigurado subdural hematoma hiya. So kalimtanan ang gross anatomy. So ano ko niya, in or out of the parenchyma. So parenchyma is like the brain tissue itself. So makita-kita nga and brain na dusugla and gray ini nga gray portion. Makita-kita nga ini ang wet brain and brain na dusugla tungod nga may dugo didi. So meaning out of the parenchyma hiya kay diriya brain tissue. So ano pa iba? For example, what is the structure? Pwede ka piya patigdalay Doc Boy magyakan, nga kung brain ini, ano man ini nga structure A, ano nga B, then tigdala mo pagitaya, ano yung condition. So let's take this step by step. First of all, A, makita kita, actually, ito yung sectionate brain, amo na ito hiya, it, kanina ni Doc ang bit, and lateral ventricles, ada na tiya dida. Then second, ang condition, kanina crescent shape, yan na, adi. Epibuntis. Ang iya mnemonics para ini. Buntis pa o pregnant. So inihiya, since epibuntis, epidural hemorrhage. So if a patient was hit, of course, middle meningeal artery na. I-remember na yun, cross. What area of the skull man is commonly hit? So by the name itself, middle meningeal artery, adi kita didi. And that's the thinnest portion of the skull, which is terion. So is it in or out of the parenchyma man? Is it in the brain tissue? No. Diri lagya po ni brain tissue. Natos o blood brain. So ang answer ni, makita kita, frontal horn, caudate nucleus, convex shape, epibuntis, it iya selequanon. And then, caused by middle meningeal artery nga naigo. Hymeneigo haterion, which is the thinnest portion of the skull. And it is out of the meninges. Extraaxial it iya medical term. Extraaxial out of the meninges. Intraaxial and brain tissue anigo. So yan na, let's see kung ano ba with hemorrhage na ito, intraaxial. Pwede kita didi. What is this condition? Clue, it's going to be the worst headache of your life. What is the sine qua non? What vessel is hit? And is it in or out of the parenchyma? Since amo rin x-ray, awat mo MRI, makita na kita nga, ano yung problem? So for sure, inside the parenchyma brain tissue na ini. So ano man niya ang condition? Subarachnoid hemorrhage, the worst headache of your life. It is, sine qua non, kanina, epibuntis, epidural, crescent-shaped subdural. Thickening of the sulci or the sulci, amot sine qua non ito. And presence of blood in the cisternas and fissures. And common cause is congenital aneurysm. So, there's a lot to note about these diseases, pero amot usually na igaas ni Doc Boy. So, since wala man gusto mag-try,
Adi na nagbunot pa ko sa...
Maril na kasi record ba? Hindi dito tigang Maril ka Doc Boy.
Oh.
ito yan tanan, compilation ito tanan na
Marian line.
notes, tanan na
Kumana
kuwan, tanan na either ini nga picture yung bata or adi. Medyo makuri adi. So, adit important. So, number 1, kuno, mapakyanan, amot yung possible nga ipakyanan. That doesn't mean na tanan ini bagat i-answer mo. So, for example, pwede 1 or 2 questions na i-ask mo, next person na liwat. So, what is this? What is the sine qua non of this condition and why does it happen? So, ano na din sine qua non for patient, which is setting sun and eyeballs. What is this condition? So, kinatulo, obviously, hydrocephalus. What is the most prominent indicator of the disease? What is the hallmark? What is the cause man of hydrocephalus? So, we know nga it's caused by obstruction of the CSF flow or the ventricles. So, explain the pathophysiology. So, kung nagpipiit, ventricles, din nakakaagi. So, simply as that. What structures of the brain do you expect to be dilated? So, ang mani nga portion, number 5, and iya gin-emphasize and discussion nga, absent ako. And an answer to hiya dida, all ventricles, especially the 4th ventricle. Okay, 4th ventricle, nga na naman nagawas to the arachnoid. Magkakos nga rin obstruction dida, for sure, hydrocephalus. So, what is the treatment? It's going to be a shunt. A ventriculoperitoneal shunt. And what are the 2 types? Communicating and non-communicating. Communicating, low net absorption, so meaning nadidrain pa. Non-communicating, by the name itself, obstructed talaga. Now, last question, what is the difference of this condition and hydrancephaly? So, there's a difference between hydrocephalus and hydrancephaly. So, the answer is the presence of brain parenchyma in hydrocephalus. So once again, brain parenchyma is the brain tissue. So makita kita, kung yan pa may hydrancephaly. Didi, makita ka mo, apektado ng brain tissue. So hydrocephalus, present pa. Meanwhile, makita ka mo hydrancephaly, black light o dilatanan, kaya di rin ang nakikita ng brain parenchyma. Next. What is this condition? So this is new. Pero if you've read Anatom Biochem with Doc Ranze, you would know nga this is neurofibromatosis. So medyo new na hinihiya nga aparato, medyo advanced, pero this was part and Doc Boy will discuss, unfortunately. So what is it? Makita ka mo nga bumps niya. Bumps niya dili. So ito nga bumps, those are actually swellings of cells. Particularly, it is the bumping of nerve cells. So, ang mali ito, neurofibromatosis. So, neuro, nerve cells, fibro, nagkuhan niya, amotatosis. Tapos, sa nito ako nagkahinomdom. And usually, I think ang latiga ask based on notes, based on niya vocal discussion, duwalan niya gin-ask. What is this and why is it caused? And actually, niya ginpakita ini nga x-ray, and then Google search, diba? Next, amo na ini, what is this condition? What causes this condition? So again, I do not expect na maka-cancer ka mo ini dayon kay new gap ini. But this is rhombencephalus or rhombencephaly. Rhombencephalus synapsis. So new hiya, pero kita lang yung shape and brain. It is caused by underdeveloped cerebellar veins. So, for this portion, medyo familiarize sa picture na memorize. Kaya niya ka na ni Doc Boy, medyo mag-neuro hiya for the orals. Yan na. What is this condition? And caused by what? So, it actually, third question, may na ka na clue what it is. So, this is atresia of the corpus callosum. So, this is periventricular leukomalacia, or basically, the agenesis of the corpus callosum. And, nga rin side notes ni Doc, ano ko nag-sequence it development of the corpus callosum? So, we know that there are parts. So, from first to last, geno, body, splenium, the thinnest end, then rostrum, among your development. Possibly na nag-ask. Next, what is this condition? So, in yung condition, halabat yan name. So, this is the left grade 4 germinal matrix something. Left grade 4 germinal matrix hemorrhage. So, makita ka mo nga may the left mass didig. And grade 4, I do not know what it is pertaining to, pero yun lang. For this CT scan, there was only one question, so what it is. Next, what is this condition? Bain ka mo malipat na heart ini, but this is not the heart. This is actually the brain again, and we're talking about here na the ventricles. So what is this condition, and give 4 consequences of this condition. So this is meningitis, which can also lead to hydrocephalus. And then, third question, what do you call this type of meningitis if it problem the arachnoid and pia mater? So by the name, para meningitis, arachnoid, and since meningitis by the name itself is the inflammation of the meninges. So meninges natin, dura, arachnoid, pia. So arachnoid and pia mater, iba't name, dura mater, iba't iya name. So this is meningitis, which causes suture thickening, ventriculitis kay, tao ito, from the name itself, kay inflame, ito yung meninges, which could lead to hydrocephalus and cerebritis. So specific name for arachnoid and pia mater is lepto, and the specific name for dura mater nga meningitis is paki. So just memorize. Next, Adi. So this is what? Epibuntis, na akong discussion kanina. So ano man yun nga hemorrhage? Epidural, caused by middle meningeal arteries. Ano man common place na naigo? Therion. In or out of the parenchyma? Out. Kay diri brain tissue problem. Nadusuglan brain, as evidenced here. Nadusuglan brain. So very good. Next, nak-discuss kanina, subdural, kay crescent shape. And then, what vessel is hip? Ayaw pagyakan sa superior cervical, it's usually bridging cortical vein. And this is also outside the parenchyma, the blood brain tissue. Next, the most painful one of them, the hemorrhage, is subarachnoid. The telltale sign is thickening of the sulci, and you could see blood na brain tissue. So therefore, in the parenchyma here, and aneurysm usually, rupture of the circumvallus or aneurysm. And then, what is this condition, and is it in or out of the parenchyma? So makita kita in the parenchyma tissue niya, pero ano man hinihiya? This is intracerebral hemorrhage. So straight pericardial straight side, and Galen, great vein of Galen. Next, what is this condition? Sa lining question pakyana dito ni Doc Boy, ischemic stroke. Because a blackened tissue always means ischemia. Kitala, black here compared with others. White. Blackened ischemia. Ischemic. Next, okay, we are now nearing the lungs. What is this condition? What is the sine qua non? What type? And what will happen to the trachea? And is closed tube thoracostomy appropriate? So, we know nga mga atelectasis ini, kaya manat lang. What is this condition naman? So, if I would turn, So this is compression, passive, relaxed, atelectasis. You can use either of the three names. Why is it iniman? So there's air in the plural already. So in the X-ray, sige ni pabalik-balik ni Doc Boy, in X-ray, it air kay black. It liquid, white, as well as alcohol. That's why, makita ka mo, nagbutang ako nila, hyperlucent space. No markings of adjacent atelectatic lung. So, this is compression. Kay, it cause kasi compression or passive is usually pneumothorax. So, there's air already in the lungs compressing it. And the pleural space, I mean. So, itiasinequanon is the visceral pleural line, letter A. And then, what happens to the trachea man? So, man yung ginask ka last lesson, last meeting. So, when you have lung na compress, your trachea will deviate to the opposite side. So, fifth question, is closed tube thoracostomy appropriate? Yes. For all secondary atelectasis, closed tube is appropriate. Okay, problem has secondary atelectasis is not in the lung. It's in the pleural space. Kung mag-primary atelectasis ka nga ni, an adhesive, an hyaline, an mga cicatrization, and problem na nila, halang mismo. So pag closed tube thoracostomy ka nga na, buhong mo ito, mapatay patient. Magkakadahin, lung deflation. So ako akong gipasend kanda ni ka actually a GC. If nakita niyo, if namati ka mong kanda ni ka announcement, ako ito ni iya picture. Iyakan ko, Dani ka, please emphasize na in pleural effusion for secondary, kahit atelectasis na primary, it iya deviation, ipsilateral. Pero secondary nga atelectasis, contralateral. Next. What is this condition? And what is the normal pleural fluid? So may nakita blackening, didi. So this is just simply bula. And the normal pleural fluid is 5 to 10 ml. Meanwhile, for cardiac is 10 to 15 ml. Next, what is the structure in A? You can see A dito. What is this condition? And what may cause or lead to this condition? Or the sine qua non? For 5, what is B? What is this condition? And what is the sine qua non? So this is Magen-Blast or the stomach bubble. A. Nakabiran, sorry. And yung condition is called bilateral pneumoperitoneum. Kaya bilateral? Pneumoperitoneum. There's air in the peritoneum. So, makita-kita dito, bilateral, both sides have air in the peritoneum. So may nakita Magen-Blast, may air. Kaya may nakita dito. So it's bilateral pneumoperitoneum. And it can lead to PUD, perforated peptic ulcer disease. And sine qua non, kung nga din nga side Magen-Blast, and nga din nga side, it yan ni subdiaphragmatic air crescent. That's why bilateral, both sides, pneumoperitoneum. Fifth condition, this is a subcutaneous emphysema. And the sine qua non is visceral pleural line, or visceral pleural sign with the continuous diaphragm. Now, question, ano man other sakit nga may visceral pleural sign itiya sine qua non? Secondary atelectasis, as said earlier. Visceral number 2, visceral pleural line, itiya sine qua non. Same with subcutaneous emphysema, but the difference is that with continuous diaphragm sign. Ang difference, both of them, secondary atelectasis plus subcutaneous emphysema, may visceral pleural line. The difference kay subcutaneous, may continuous diaphragmatic sign. Adi, Faith, answer. Okay, pakya naman niya ako. So, near na kita tissue. Tapos na kita neuro.
Coin face.
So, number 1, where is the coin located? Esophagus. Then, number 3, ano nga din nga side?
Trachea.
Yung trachea. So, kaya no, correct. So, hindi na lang ang picture kay Noroda ko. So, may natila 2 phases as discussed. we have the coin face and end-on face. End-on face and lignan coin. So, barang kita, structure it, esophagus and trachea. Trachea anay kada front, nga esophagus at ada layo. So, focusing here, coin face, sugad hiya, AP view, anterior view, iya coin na sugad. Pero lateral view, makita kita from here, naka end-on face hiya. So, meaning ang coin, walay na dusog. So, this is the esophagus. Madudusog lang hiya, trachea. Okay, di ba the trachea has the trachealis muscle. So, pag tulon mo coin na trachea, coin masugad. Pupush siya yung trachealis muscle. That's why, iya anterior view, naka end-on face siya. Kumbaga, sumugad ang coin, haligid. Whereas siya lateral view, di rin nakikitaan. Sugad dito.
It's the opposite layer.
So makita kita, her right side, much better picture. Coin in esophagus, iya coin face, adi ha anterior, iya end-on face, adi lateral. Different ka trachea, kay nadusog na ang coin. Next. Oh, what is this condition?
Bottle.
Training a picture.
Bottle.
Oh, bottle heart. So this is
And transposition of red vessels. Ang ba?
so sakto ka bottled heart.
Out.
So meaning
Out.
damo it fluid. Kaya kita lumupon heart, not its usual size. So this is pericarditis or cardiac tamponade. So it is corrective water bottle sign. Water bottle sign sa sinaunang panahon. And what is the sine qua non? It's usually the Beck's triad. The Beck's triad is composed of a distended neck vein. Makita ka mo nga obviously di. Distant with your heart sound. Diri mo ito mababatian kay tungkol na heart compressed na in water. Diri ka bakit love. Kay kuan na yabangat na compressed ba. Normal pericardial volume, as I said, is 10 to 15. And pagka ni Doc Boy, naka din mga third years, kay kung 50 to 150 ml, dako na ito, kay di ba capacity heart at pericardial space, 10 to 15. Pero kung 50 to 250 na nga ni, what will happen? Actually, wala ka ito symptoms. Kaya no, your pericardium can still stretch. Pero more than 250 na nga ni, nga ka na magkakadal symptoms. That's why sudden init nga disease, it imo symptoms. Next. So I call this the horseshoe na sign. Dito yung official. So may ka mo, shit, ano ini? So ini nga portion is not natural. Ini to nga white. In here, it's a contrast. So, ano at mga body parts ka na needing contrast, aside it, outing, na ginagamit yung contrast na brain. Esophagus, stomach, lower intestine. So this is usually a barium meal. So this is peptic ulcer disease caused by Helicobacter pylori. And what is the white part and why does it happen? So, di ba pinakita ni Dr. Candani Caperme, hindi. So, di ba may nakita gastric folds, rugal folds, kanan pits. Kung mag-contrast ko nung kita, so rugi. For example, rugi in its stomach.
Wow!
Pare naman good class.
Makita pa yung pamiling. Maning ka, matawag ni Marker doy.
In contrast, makadilay ito dili. Harugal fold. Gastric pits, dili na ito ma-slusad nila iya contrast. Pero let's say may nakita gastric ulcer disease, so naguba na ini. Naguba na niya mucosa, na niya submucosa. So in contrast, pwede sumulod. That's why siya the appearance. So it is actually the diode contrast leaking into the mucosa because the mucosal layer is already ruptured. So, ano man ito? What are the folds and dips? Folds are the rugae, dips is the gastric pits. And what is visible on a barium meal? Usually, kung wala problem, it's rugal folds and may contrast. It's nakikitaan. Next, describe the image. So the specimen is a kidney stone. So, kung ipapa-describe lang ang image, ayaw na kapag disease. So number 1, makita kita, masirong itiya likod. So posterior shadowing. So anechoic, hyperchoic. Hyper kay black. Compared, didi, malabra itiya, posterior. So posterior enhancement. Yan, anechoic. Anechoic white. Echoic kay black man. So hyperechoic, hyper black. Ang manito may stone or something na nakaka-obstruct. So this is hyperechoic with posterior sonic shadowing seen in gallstone or mga stones. And to the right side, may nakita anechoic, very black, white. So with posterior sonic enhancement. So bagat, if you know, inihiya, same like point. But, warahiya, sakit. May sakit, pero for bagat, initial siguro nga going into radiology. Things to know. Inihiya, what is this condition caused by lower left quadrant pain? What is the general disease name?
Diverticulosis.
Uy, galing. Siyempre, colonic diverticulosis. So, damot iya variations, kitala niyo. And if it ruptures, it can cause pneumoperitoneum. Same kanila, bilateral pneumoperitoneum. Adi, what is the name of these structures and common causes? So this is actually a staghorn canal calculi. So MAP2 yung mga stones. Basta ka mo mga
Ay, wala
coral.
pakita, maaro na.
Mga coral. Staghorn calculi. Next, sige. I think masayon lining. Number 1, bariumil, enema, or swallow. Number 1. Sige.
Iba naman ito.
Number 1, barium swallow. Number 2, barium enema. Number 3, barium meal. Sige, number 4, acid hematine characterized by black tarry stools or melina. So barium swallow kay esophagus la, upper GI. Barium meal, tugtog na kita ha mga kuan, stomach, duodenum.
Ano? Upper.
Oh, black upper niya kan di ba? Diri na red na solid oxidized na ng blood. Next, describe the normal lung X-ray. So what to look for? So there are 6 points, and you can just memorize this. No lung infiltrations, midline trachea, heart shallow not enlarged, dome shape, diaphragm, unremarkable rib cage, walay problem, walay fractures, and normal surrounding tissue. So, I want you to check if radiologist to ensure na walay sakit if X-ray. So usually, memorize it. So ini, what is this condition and what type? So, makita kita tiya legs, may problem, and tiya limbs. So this is osteogenesis imperfecta or pituitary dwarfism. It is characterized by broken bones. So your cartilage may problem dida. Compared to Pwede kasi sa mga types na diri characterized by broken bone. Achondroplastic dwarfism, diri broken it in bones. Achondroplastic dwarfism. Pero pituitary dwarfism ka na nga ni, or osteogenesis imperfecta, kung natin mo bones, broken. So what is the structure naman? Is it seen in adults? So hindi ka mo nakita, hinihiya.
Thymus.
Yes, correct. So this is the thymus. Is it seen in adults? No, it's only seen in children. And for sure, mapakyanit you something about the immune system since thymus. So what is this condition and what type? So sorry kung malay picture sa dyan, di kang talaga yung PowerPoint. So what is this condition kuno? That's before and after. So before, makita kita nga cloudy. So we can't actually even see the heart. But everything seems normal. Midline trachea, dome-shaped diaphragm, clear iya structures and get issues. So ano na rin yung sakit? Don't say pneumonia, okay, definitely not that. So this is actually hyaline disease or primary atelectasis, specifically adhesive. So, ano other types of primary atelectasis? May nakitaan cicatrization or the obstructive. So this is grade 4. So, may naging pagkita Doc Boy na grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, and grade 4. So, study na nila. Pero nakipagkita ay grade 4. Homogenic lung opacity. So, ano lang talaga, cloudy ng duro. That's why grade 4 here. Next, gross anatomy. So, we are nearing the fissure portion of this discussion. So, bayin gumawas-was, bayin din. What are the branches of the aortic arch? So, I think at this point, some people can still get this confused. Kay, dahil nalilipat ka na kung api ba yung left common carotid or yung right common carotid. So, kung branches kita kay aorta, pwede kita brachiocephalic, left common carotid, then he left subclavian. Okay kasi may umupay na rin na. Pwede ba mag-drawing din? Right?
Pwede na. Ano?
I think kailangan ka mag-exit pag-edit, tapos may dito na pen nga option.
Ito man na tools.
Tools.
Tools. Hey, tools.
Ubos.
Ubos.
Yan.
So, nari.
Yun.
So, kung aortic arch ini, the arch of the aorta,
Surat mo.
pwede lang na ako zoom.
Pili anay. Oh, to. Yan. Sawat ka no.
So, kung aortic arch ini, sorry, dili after lang. So, may kita ang brachiocephalic, may kita ang left subclavian. Ito na, waray na dumara. Oh, may kita ang left subclavian. Ito na, ayaw ko balik.
Bagay maluwil at internet.
Oo, wala lang. So, may kita, basta brachiocephalic, o, din na lang. Basta, left brachiocephalic, left carotid, and left subclavian. Ngayon, brachiocephalic, ma-branch pa ito to what we know already as the right common carotid, right subclavian. So, kung magpagyanay, Doc, what are the branches of the aortic arch? Ang wala first ini nga PLL. Then, what are the branches of brachiocephalic? And right, ano nga right na? Then, what are the branches kuno of the descending aorta? So, ako rin nga naso ba diya perme? Ang mediastinal, cardiac, esophagus. And trees on the board, what forms the superior vena cava? So, hindi na daw lang. So, yung superior vena cava, sige ba saan eh? Branches of aortic arch, brachiocephalic, left common carotid, left subclavian. So, here's right, dito to common. Hindi ito aortic arch branches, brachiocephalic branches, ito harap. And in descending aorta, ito pa nila manasugad. And the left brachiocephalic plus the right brachiocephalic forms the superior vena cava. Pero, the brachiocephalic is formed by two diaphragm structures, which is the internal jugular and the subclavian vein. So, kumbaga,
Uy, Jason, pamiling ka din marker.
pagaling doon marker with this one. Kumbaga, di pa na nabuhay ni, for example, ano to? The superior vena cava. Superior vena cava is formed by the left brachiocephalic.
Namimiling. Babamat ginagamit.
Right.
Dina.
Much better. Drawing na lang. So,
Ano ngayon ito?
Right. Dara dito ko ano.
Left brachiocephalic and yung right brachiocephalic. Pero yung brachiocephalic itself is formed by two, which is the subclavian vein and the internal jugular vein. Right. That's deltoid. So kung ipapatrace ka mo board, kaya ka niya, pwede yan magpatrace sa board, pwede yan do anything sa trace. So i-ready like yung imagination. So the what suppresses current of blood to the lungs? So it is the bronchial artery from the descending thoracic aorta. Sige, i-emphasize it before. Next. So, can you illustrate and discuss the setup of CD and DD? So, how many again pa discuss the role? And which formula is more common? So, we're talking about the disjunction and the conjunction. So, kung ilan ba gusto mag-try first?
Eros.
Ross,
Kaya
gusto mo
mag-open
mag-try
heart
again?
yan.
Okay. Conjunction, disjunction.
Concordant.
Postulat.
Ikaw!
Kung dapat pharmacoord ka next year, update ka dapat.
Pag-update ka din.
Napakita ito ha.
Discordant.
Ano yung prende kami? Kasi po
So, in normal heart, parang kita nga, right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. And your right ventricle will supply the pulmonary, and your left ventricle will supply the aorta. Now, conjunction kita, conjunction, disconjunction, which is the D form. So meaning, ito yung kasi gina-refer is kuan, let's say CC, conjunction. Kung correct hiya positioning, kung correct hiya right atrium will lead to the right ventricle, conjunction ito yan.
Conjunction.
Then sunod, check ni mo, kung yung right ventricle, nakatukan pulmonary. So kung correct ini, conjunction niya, check CC mo. Pero let's say, kung may problem na doon, which happens sa CD. So a CD, correct ang iya pag-lead and blood, pero wrong ang tigawas. So wrong ni pulmonary or wrong ni aorta. So a CD form, nasa ganito. Correct kanya positioning. The right atrium will lead to the right ventricle. The left atrium will lead to the left ventricle. But the problem is here, this junction. So, yung right ventricle, if ito ginlilid, yung aorta. Nagbaliktad from the normal. Whereas yung left ventricle, nalid ang pulmonary artery. So, that's why this junction or discordance, iya second, kay wrongan niya semilunar kuan or the valves, whatever vessels. Kung sunod, PDD, which is the L form. PDD naman, wrong talaga niya forma. So, the right atrium will lead to the left ventricle. Yan, the left atrium ko no, right ventricle. Not only wrong it era first, the pathway of the blood, wrong diabet era, garawsan. So, yung left ventricle, maram kita, dapat, in a normal, aorta. Yung right ventricle, dapat, pulmonary. So, nanabo, yung left ventricle, since discordant kita, yung left ventricle, pulmonary.
Kung ano daan?
Then yung right ventricle, aorta.
Ano lang inindihan, no?
So, kung kita ang natin dito,
Mo pa ito na decision in life. Charing. Thanks.
normal setup, RV goes to pulmonary, LV goes to aorta. Concordant, correctly RA, RB, LA, LV. Pero discordant niya kay the RB goes to the aorta, which dapat yung pulmonary, and yung LV goes to the pulmonary artery na dapat yung aorta. That's for D4, CD. Yung DD4 naman, discordant. Wrong na nga ni, RALV na nga ni, LARV, discordant pa, kay RV goes to the aorta, LV naman goes to the pulmonary artery. So which is more common? Deform.
Deform.
Meaning, kaya ano man. And problem here is nagka-transposition. So this is also seen in the tetralogy of Fallot. So yeah, transposition of the semilunar vessels. So ganun. So more common is deform, concordant discordant. Oh,
Tetralogy.
boot.
Tetralogy of Fallot.
Tetralogy of Fallot. So what are the 4 defect signs in
Pulmonary
order? Pure, correct. Pulmonary stenosis, intervention, pure. So magawas probably dagdag pabulaw tomorrow. In order niya, in order of the defect.
Pure ba ito?
Pure.
Pure.
Remember yan iya order. And then, if you remember, lahat ba yung monthly kandog pambulang ang magori, may dadida, what defect ko no of the tetralogy of Fallot causes cyanosis?
Interventricular septal.
So, pareho ano man.
Interventricular septal.
Why man?
Kaya nagmi-mixing ang bad ngan good blood.
Very good. What an answer. What causes
Kasama na
cyanosis?
ito.
Tetralogy of Fallot. Nagsushunting ang blood, which is the mixing of deoxygenated and oxygenated. Siyempre.
Happy ka mo list.
Adi, ako na hindi mo yakan rate kanina.
Transposition of great vessels.
Dili pa. Top PCR niya. Total anomalous pulmonary venous rhythm. Oh, top PCR. So, ini niya, medyo lengthy niya pinag-discussion ni Doc Boy. Actually, after niya pag-discuss niyo, minum yung tubig, lumakat na niya. So, yan ko na wala, ako na kayo na to. So, bakit ko sa lining nga iya discussion kay Gikapo hiya. So, total anomalous pulmonary venous return or TAP VCR kay mali siya to Snowman sign tungod nga may problem hiya in nominate branches.
Because we're...
So, hindi na ko cover. So, ano ko na tiya parts? So, makita ka mag-lower right. Ang mga important. So, for the head of the snowman, it's the vasculature. So, I've already, basta. The upper head, innominate vein. The left, vertical vein. Then the right is the dilated superior vena cava. So, with the parts ni snowman. So, basahan na lang niyo. So, makita ka mo, may subclavian vein and the internal jugular vein meets at a certain point to become the brachiocephalic vein na akong illustrate kanina. Okay, brachiocephalic is also the innominate vein. Hadi, Joash, go. Nursing, number 1. Number 1 lang. Hinang fetal, A or B? Hinang. Sakto. Kaya niya ka ni Joash, which I think mo pa yung kuan to remember. Kay, ni fetal, shiny. Ni maternal, yakan pa niya. Mahugaw, gawan ko na ito. So, yung mga dinuguan. Sama ni maternal side. And he A, fetal side. And the rest, you can answer it, try on your own. Because this will actually help you also. Histo. So, how many veins or arteries, man? Haba. What are the 2 major components of the placenta? The chorion and the decidua. Then name the inner and outer mass. The embryoblast and the trophoblast. The embryoblast are the inside. Types of chorion decidua. Chorion, decidua, chorion frondoso, chorion lavi, decidua basalis, parietalis, capsularis. Decidua vera is a fusion of capsularis and parietalis. How many cotyledons? 25 to 30 or 15 to 30. What villi anchors to the decidua? Tertiary. What artery supplies blood to the fetus? Spiral artery. Is it a direct connection? No. The chorion is composed of what? Syncytial trophoblast and cytotrophoblast. Give the changes of blood vessels from fetal. Adi, ma-answer niyo number 10. In order. So, ang muna yun, at the very first lesson ha, physiology. And UAU,
Lato.
Devil.
Lato. Coco.
May to. Nag-number lang ako kay in order to na lang. So, i-memorize na niyo. In case for orals.
ULUA.
Digest. Imo man na oh, awan gi-ask ka ako. And gusto niya in 5 seconds. So, describe the pumpkin. Nakya ka na. Number 2, answer niyo. For tomorrow gabi. Number 2. What activates chymotrypsin, trypsin, carboxypeptidase? Ano na activity? So, from protrypsin to trypsin. So, sunod ka mo. So, enterokinase na activate. Number 3, what are the 3 gastric phases? We have cephalic, gastric, intestinal. What does parietal cells produce? Parietal cells? HCLN and intrinsic factor. What do chief cells produce? Synodin. So differentiate gastritis from PUD. Oh. Basta, gastritis, mucosa na. PUD, mucosa, and submucosa. What produces ACL? Name through it.
Gastrin. Acetylcholine.
Gastrin, acetylcholine. So yun. Dapat memorize. Adi. Amin niya, ginaskan nito during our last meeting. Illustrate, aniya, yakan, pwede ka mo mag-arrow. Illustrate ko no and list the causes of edema or fluid in the interstitial space. So there are 4 based hagoitons and series. So,
Decreased oncotic pressure, increased hydrostatic pressure, decreased permeability or decreased permeability na po capillary stas and upat.
Upat and gin-answer ni Miko is obstruction.
Obstruction.
Tama ito. 4.
Lymphatic.
So remember. So nagpunta ko na akong illustration. So increased, actually magagamit tayo gabi ni Boss Kandong Magulang. So increased connoting capillary hydrostatic pressure. Since si capillary hydrostatic, igawas, kitang blood vessels. So igawas yung blood vessels and interstitial space. So itidima, fluid in the interstitial space. So kung magdinurot at pag ginawas, so of course, magkakaidima kita. So increase dapat it hydrostatic. Then decrease the oncotic. Oncotic is the one that keeps it inside the vessels. So if less it pressure, tikang tusulod, syempre, magawas. So, idiman again. And then the rest, kay explanatory. Increased capillary, increased and capillary permeability. Okay, para bumawas. So that's po. And may nakagabit yan, lymphatic obstruction usually in tumors or in allergies. So this is one of the last, kay mag-add pa ko later. What are the key differences of large and small intestine? So, magawas gabi ni tomorrow.
Circularis. Circularis.
Hyman is found where? So, amo na yun.
Agi di.
Gastrologist na. Kanina ko ang cardio yun ang gastro.
For now, what if ako an other lungs? Like, what is secondary asinine? Why is a secondary asinine called as a miniature lung? Amo yung favorite ako.
Is open
Tissue.
Respiratory.
Respiratory tissue.
Unpaired. Larynx.
So, ano ko no it?
Etc.
Kuhan, paired, thyroid, epiglottis, uniform, cricoarytinum,
Palatin tonsils.
palatin,
Pharyngeal.
So, that's it for now.